Hey guys, welcome to Eaton House Studio. My name's Chris, and today we're going to be making some festive drinks for the holiday season. This drink is a classic Bellini with an Eaton House Studio twist. So for this drink, we're using some local preserves that you can see here from round the corner in Tiptree. And these are the only preserves to have the royal warrant, and they're featured very prominently in the James Bond novels as his spread of choice on his breakfast. For this drink, we're going to be using rosé Prosecco and the strawberry preserve. So what you want to do is you want to take 1 to 2 spoonfuls worth of the preserve, and then we're going to take some of the Prosecco here. You want about 1/3 of it in your shaker there, and give it a really good stir around, just mixing all those flavours together. Now, to go along with our Christmas theme and the theme of Eaton House Studio, we put a gold leaf around the rim of this glass. You can get as creative as you like with the gold leaf. We've just chosen to go around the top in a rustic style. Please feel free to do whatever you fancy. Pour the first lot into the glass there like that, making sure you get all that jam in the bottom as well. Take the rest of the Prosecco and add it to the top. And there you have it, a festive Bellini.